It is a cloudy and windy day on day 43.
Yep. We're hoping that when we get up to these peaks today, we've got the Bald Mountain peaks, that they're not going to be as cloudy and windy as it is down here in the woods. Whew.
Yeah, and we're also then going to go into town, hopefully hitch, and if not, we'll call a shuttle.
Yeah, we'll see when we get there what we can do. I just ate a delicious cinnamon bun. It was gifted to me by Action and Adventure, a little older couple that they're so nice, and they were just sitting here. We were chatting with them all night, all morning, and they just started their journey. They're finishing up this whole stretch. They just started yesterday, this whole new journey up to Katahdin. And they have a Facebook page, Action and Adventure, so check them out. They're awesome. Cool couple.
They're really awesome.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys on the way up to the mountains.
Yep.
We've been climbing up rock slabs after rock slabs. So, good thing we have this little guy.
This thing looks difficult.
This is the most difficult rock slab we've seen.
Okay, this is a lot.
Definitely doesn't have really nice roots on the side. I swear, these little metal things here, they just come out of nowhere sometimes.
Sometimes so random.
It's so hilarious.
If this was wet, I could see that being very dangerous.
Yeah. This part definitely requires us to have to use both of our arms, so we're going to be putting away our trekking poles for the first time in this entire hike so far, to be honest. And gonna get ready for a little bit of bouldering.
First cool little viewpoint of this journey up. I know we're gonna have cool views at the top. I just hope they're not completely cloud covered as we get higher, because you can see these ones are pretty low, these clouds. We're getting up there. So appreciate this one while we have it. All right, so what are we supposed to grab here? Oh, this is funny. Look at that thing. What? That is just sitting on there. Every couple corners, we get these different scenarios to get up. And a couple of those ones you saw, those metal rungs. Now we got some of these wooden ladders. It's cool though, helping us out on our journey up. A lot of bouldering, really fun.
I can see the clearing up there.
Oh, nice.
The great cloud is coming.
Luckily, we're almost there, I think. Whoop! Oh my goodness. Videos, as I always say, don't do this justice. This is at least 45-degree angle, probably more, going upward. Definitely using hands and feet on this. Go ahead. You can see the trees in the background. I'm not tilting the phone right now. It is very, very steep. But luckily our shoes are pretty grippy on this. Getting the calves, they are going. And you can see the clouds at the top rolling by. Hopefully we have a view and we're not smothered by them. My turn.
So we're going to enter the clouds soon, because that is where we're going. But for now, we get to enjoy this view here. Taking a quick snack break from the other beach this summer to make sure we fuel up and feel good. The wind is blowing.
a 360 view. I mean, got a little bit of trees here, got some mountains out there. Woo! And it is very windy. It's been like that since we came out of the trees.
I just want to show you some of the rock stacks from what we see. That one all the way over there is actually taller than us. I also saw a cool bird a few seconds ago, but I wasn't able to capture it. It looked like it was struggling to fly up with this wind.
Blueberries and whatever these are.
Those are a Russian fruit that we use an app to scan and determine that it was actually edible. So I've tried too, and Mike is being brave. How does it taste? Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Apparently they pick it from the wild and use it on a whole bunch of dishes. The wind is so bad here. If only there was a place where I could take shelter. Oh my goodness, is this a hole?
It's so warm in here.
Really? Okay, can you scooch over? I'm gonna come in.
Plenty of room.
I just used Peak Finder and now I know what I'm looking at. So that mountain over here is West Peak, which is where we're going towards right now. This mountain over here is Old Speck. So we're going to hit that after resupplying. And that mountain all the way over there is Mount Washington, which has the highest recorded wind speeds and just crazy weather that turns on a dime. So
with these winds here, it's like, man. Not looking forward to those winds up there. These are pushing me over.
So it's really, really interesting to see these mountains that we've heard so much about. Everyone talks about these mountains. We just came from the top of that mountain over there, and now we are at this alpine bog. A very unique area. We haven't seen an alpine bog before. And they're saying that the plants are extremely fragile here, so please stay on trail. And we also heard that people have fallen into this bog and gone under around chest deep of mud. So we're gonna be really careful here and test out these bridges as we go. But wow, look at this. So unique. Onward. Going up, and we see a very cool ladder. Look at this wooden ladder. We haven't seen anything like this. It's like two trees.
A wooden staircase ladder. Pretty cool though, pretty high.
Huh. Alright, see you up there. It looks like we accidentally passed the second peak without realizing it because it's tree covered. But for now we're going to call the shuttlers to pick us up because apparently there's no service down there. So we're gonna call them and hopefully they'll give us a ride so that we can resupply and then get back on trail. We have been going steadily down, and these are the slabs that we're dealing with right now. Just a slab with little bits of a trickle. Steep down. Before, we were going down a whole bunch of steps for a while, for like half a mile or so.
Rock steps.
Yeah, so those were really nice. We went down those pretty fast. And now we're taking our time on these slabs.
Yep, we learned.
That we did. Here are some of the example of steps that we've been going down. And we're almost to the road. 30 minutes to spare from the time we're supposed to get there. Let's check this out. Feeling good. Can't wait to go to the grocery store. We're hoping that there is some sort of deli inside the grocery store so we could sneak in some sandwiches, but we will see. We are sensing the parking lot is really close. We could tell that the road is right next to us because of all the cars that are flying by.
Tent site right there.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, because
later tonight.
Exactly. We are not going to stay in town here at Bethel. We're just going to resupply. So seeing that is a really good sign. Hopefully it's not taken when we come back. And we are here. Yes. Another section completed. And over to Bethel.
That was a whole section of the far out at Katahdin to Grafton Notch. We have to download a whole new section.
Section number 2. Feels good. We are going to be in New Hampshire in about 20 miles now. Really crazy for us. Second state. We're coming for you whites.
We've got some hiking trails. Really? I didn't know they existed around here. That is an enormous mountain right there. I'm wondering if that's what we're doing tomorrow. I think Mahoosic Notch is on the back side of that. We've heard some good things. Look at this, mountains. Wow, wow, look at those cliffs back there. Oh man, they're huge. Cool cloud coverage today. Oh man, I think that's probably part of what we're doing tomorrow. I know the trail goes that way. Amazing.
And as we enter the parking lot, we met this really cool guy. He actually gave us trail magic, and he was actually supporting his brother that's going Nobo. And so we had a good conversation as we waited for our shuttle.
Yeah, got some Doritos and some chips. And then, yeah, finally our shuttle came, Doogie and Homespun, and their dog Kevin. They're so nice. What a cool couple. We've read a lot of comments about them. Everybody loves them. And they told us that we were going to be their last shuttle for the entire season. They're actually hitting the AT. So that was really cool. We felt honored. They brought us over. We went to the supermarket. We resupplied. Actually met somebody in there who came right up to us. What was his name? Slider. Slider came over. He's giving us all kinds of cool pointers for where to stay down south. And he said to hit him up. He'll give us even more info. Really cool guy. He actually knew Doogie and Homespun in the parking lot.
And Honey.
Yeah, and Honey. So yeah, then we got out and they gave us a ride back for free because it was their last ride. So, you know, trail magic for us. Amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And now we're kind of just going to go and figure out resupplying our tent and let's call it an evening.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we have a big day. We have the hardest mile of the AT apparently.
Known as the hardest mile. See you guys.